All right, welcome. And hey, if you're already using Google products, you are gonna love this. Today, we're doing a step-by-step walkthrough to get you up and running with Gemini, Google's really powerful AI assistant. So let's just dive right in. So what is Gemini, really? Well, don't think of it as just another tool. It's more like a creative partner, and it lives right inside the Google ecosystem you already know and probably use every day. It's built from the ground up to work with your Docs, your Gmail, your Drive, and that is its secret sauce. That's what makes it so incredibly powerful. Okay, so here's our game plan. We'll kick things off with a quick look at what Gemini is, then we'll get you logged in. After that, we're going to tour the interface, write our very first prompt using an image, uncover some of its coolest features, and then, finally, get you ready to start your own journey. First up, let's really get our heads around the big idea here. Gemini isn't just another search box. Think of it as a partner, one that's designed to help you brainstorm, get your thoughts organized, and just bring your ideas to life way faster than before. And this right here is Gemini's secret weapon, that deep, deep integration. It's not just pulling stuff from the web. I mean, it is plugged directly into the tools you're probably using every single day. That smooth connection between your world and its AI brain is what really truly sets it apart. All right, next up, let's get you logged in. This part's all about access, and trust me, if you have a Google account, you are already 99% of the way there. It is so fast. Okay, your first stop is super simple. Just open up your browser and go to gemini.google.com. That's it. That's the front door to everything we're about to explore. And here is the absolute best part. You don't have to create a new account. You don't have to remember some brand new password. You just use the same Google sign-in you already know and trust. It's simple, it's secure, and it gets rid of all that usual hassle of trying out a new app. Okay, so once you're signed in, this is what you're going to see. This is your new workspace. And you'll notice it's really clean, very minimal. That's on purpose. It's designed to let you get straight to creating. Let's do a quick tour so you know where everything is. So think of it as having three main zones. Over on the left, that's your chat history. It's where you can find old conversations, and you can even pin the important ones. The huge space in the middle, that's your main workspace. It's where all of Gemini's answers will pop up. And most importantly, that bar at the bottom, that's your input. That's where you're going to tell Gemini what to do. All right, this brings us to one of my favorite features, something called a multimodal prompt. Now, that sounds a little technical, I know, but all it really means is we can give Gemini more than just text. We can actually give it images to look at. Yeah, so that word, multimodal, it's a really key idea. It just means Gemini isn't only reading what you type, it's seeing what you see. It can look at a picture, understand what's in it, and that, my friends, opens up a whole new universe of possibilities. We've all been there, right? You open the fridge, you see just this random collection of stuff, and you have absolutely zero inspiration for dinner. Well, this is the perfect kind of problem for a multimodal AI to solve. So imagine this. You snap a quick photo of those ingredients, you upload it, and then you pair that picture with a prompt just like this one. Notice you're not just asking, what can I make? You're giving it really clear, specific directions to get exactly what you want. You see, this isn't just a random question. This is the anatomy of a great prompt. You're giving it a role. Act like a professional chef. You provide context. Here's the photo of my ingredients. You set a clear constraint. Use only these things. And you define the format you want back. Give me 3 recipes with step-by-step instructions. This simple formula is the secret to getting incredible results pretty much every time. Okay, so Gemini spits out these amazing recipes. Awesome. But now is where the real magic happens. This is about what you can do after you get that first answer. You'll notice that right below every single response Gemini gives you, there's this little toolbar. And trust me, these are your superpowers. You can instantly modify the answer without retyping your whole prompt. You can export it with a single click, and you can even fact-check it against the internet. I mean, let's just stop and appreciate how much of a game changer this is. The old way was such a pain, right? You'd have to highlight everything, copy it, open a new tab, open docs, paste it, fix the formatting. The Gemini way? It's one click. It sends that whole recipe straight into a new Google Doc or drafts it in an email for you. It's a massive, massive time saver. And look, we all know the saying, trust but verify. Well, when you're working with AI-generated info, that's more critical than ever, right? And Gemini actually has a tool built specifically for this. See that little G icon there? When you click that, Gemini literally goes out and searches the web to see if it can back up what it just told you. Any sentence that it can confirm with a source gets highlighted in green. It's like a built-in fact checker, giving you that extra bit of confidence in the answers you're getting. And just like that, you've covered all the essentials. If you've been following along, seriously, congratulations. You have genuinely learned the core skills you need to hit the ground running with Gemini. Now, seriously, just take a second and look at everything you're ready to do right now. You can log in and find your way around. You can write powerful prompts with both text and images. You can export your work right into Google Docs, and you can fact-check the information you get. You are officially ready to go. So really, the only question left is, what are you going to solve first? Are you going to upload a picture of that broken gadget and ask for step-by-step repair instructions? Or maybe feed it that 50-page report and ask for a one-page summary? Your journey starts right now.